Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure affordable prescriptions with GoodRx easy tutorial step by step clearly. To secure affordable prescriptions using GoodRx, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the GoodRx website at goodrx.com. Once the page loads, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Enter the name of your medication in the search bar and press enter. Review the list of available medications that appears. Choose the correct medication from the list of results. On the medications page, you will see a breakdown of prices. Select your preferred pharmacy from the list provided. Take note of the sale price displayed for your chosen pharmacy. If necessary, click on the coupon button to view available discounts. You may need to sign up for a GoodRx account for certain coupons. After signing up or logging in, generate your coupon. You can either print it or download it to your phone. Take the coupon to your pharmacy when you go to pick up your prescription. Present the coupon at the pharmacy counter to receive your discounted price. Make sure to ask the pharmacist any questions about your prescription. Once your medication is ready, complete your purchase at the reduced price. Consider checking GoodRx again for future prescriptions to find the best deals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.